everyone. This is a really quick video with no preamble about what I'm doing here or why. This is just how to use a pulley removal tool and how to replace a pulley. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and the background behind how this came to be, please watch the longer video. I'm going to post this one tonight, probably the next one tomorrow, unless I get a chance to edit the longer one into one video instead of the two when my microphone died. So here we go. If you're going to change a pulley, there's a couple of things you want to do. You want to lower the motor if need be. This is usually only necessary on some of the older Elnas. If not, let's go ahead and assume for right now that you don't need to. If you need to lower the motor, just please watch the other video. Anyways, what we're going to do is I've already loosened the set screw here, and we're just going to take this clutch off. Depending on the Elna you have, you may have a circlip holding this on. It may be a little bit different. I know that there is another video that's a bunch of still pictures that show you how to take that one apart, so go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to take this washer off, take the hand wheel off, and now we've got access to our pulley. So what I'm going to do is turn that pulley so that I can see my pin. I'm going to take this handy dandy tool that you can learn more about in the other video. Try to line it up. I'm going to use it. I'm going to push that pin out. And there shouldn't be more than hand tight resistance against it. You'll feel it get a little bit tighter once it gets to the roll pin, but as soon as you start pushing the roll pin out, you should find that it actually doesn't take much. It's hand tight. If you're pushing harder than that, you're going to bend the pin, and you're probably going to have issues where it's stuck. So anyways, this is now just pushing the pin out. And now that I've got the pin out enough, this is the pulley ready to remove. And if you wiggle it, unless you do have one of the machines where you absolutely have to drop the motor, chances are you can get your pulley off without having to drop the motor. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up with my squished pulley that I squished in the last video. Actually, let's do this a little bit differently. I'm going to take the roll pin. Ideally, you'd have a roll pin that's a little bit longer than what I've got here, but we'll work with this one for right now. Here we go. And there we go. So now you can put your hand wheel back on. There we go. Put your washer back on. Whoops. And your clutch knob back on. And that's not right round. That's fine. Take you. Sure, let's try that. That looks good. And now we can tighten this back up. There we go. So all of that to show you that you can change these pulleys in under 4 minutes, even if you're gapping a little bit. All right, so hopefully you'll have a chance to watch the other video where I talk about the background behind all these tools and everything like that. But I just wanted to show you how fast it can be done and that it's not something to avoid. It's certainly not something to pass over a machine for. All right, we'll talk to you soon.